Hey friends, if cozy meals are your thing, this slow cooker broccoli cheddar soup is about to be your new favorite. It's creamy, cheesy, and packed with tender broccoli and carrots. Comfort food that still feels good to eat. Start by adding chopped broccoli, shredded carrots, onion, broth, and a little seasoning straight into your slow cooker. Pop the lid on and let it cook low and slow until everything is perfectly tender. No babysitting of this is required. About 30 minutes before serving, we're gonna make it extra creamy. Melt some butter, whisk in some flour, then stir in milk until smooth. Pour that right into the slow cooker, toss in plenty of sharp cheddar cheese, and stir until melted and dreamy. This soup is loaded with veggies, lighter dairy, and tons of flavor, which makes it cozy and nourishing at the same time. Grab a bowl, get comfy, and enjoy!